Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You already have a registered domain and a published Google Sites page. Now move fast. First, add the domain to Cloudflare and let it scan DNS records. Once done, review CNAME, and TXT entries and remove duplicates. Make sure Cloudflare shows your domain as active before changing name servers. You'll copy Cloudflare's 2 name servers. This is why you prepared the registrar. You'll replace current name servers there to delegate DNS to Cloudflare. After updating name servers at your registrar, wait for propagation. This can take minutes to hours. Meanwhile, set DNS in Cloudflare. Create a CNAME where name is www and value is GHS. Google hosted. So Google Sites serves the subdomain. If you want the Apex domain example. To work, add a records that Google specifies or use Cloudflare's page rule to redirect Apex to www. Make sure Cloudflare proxy is disabled, gray cloud. On CNAME used by now, go to Google Sites and add your custom domain. Verify ownership using the TXT Cloudflare saved or the automatic method. Once Google recognizes the domain, accept the mapping and allow SSL provisioning. In Cloudflare, set SSL to full strict and ensure the CNAME/a records for Google are not proxied. Cloudflare must pass traffic directly. If something fails, check DNS propagation, clear browser cache, and look for mismatched SSL or wrong name servers. Those are the usual culprits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.